Guys, in this video, I will show you how to send bulk WhatsApp messages to multiple contacts. Click on the contact sender. Next, click Upload Excel and select the file. Then click Open. Here, you will see all the available numbers. You will also get the option to send multiple messages. Click on message 1 and type your first message. You can add a file from the right-hand side. Click Add File and select your file. Then, click on the Add button and select your button type. Put the button text here. Enter your URL and click Save. Your custom button will appear here. Guys, you can also customize your delay settings here. Then, click Start Campaign. Type your campaign name and click OK. Next, click on Click to initiate. It will redirect you to your WhatsApp web page. Click on Start. See that the status shows running. After 100% completion, see the results. Guys, total success, 12, fail 0. Guys, you can download the report. Check the contacts to ensure our message is sent successfully. If you want to use the next part of the feature, go to the website WhatsApp Web Pro and get involved. We've got the voices of 5,700 active customers. It's an awesome feature, an important contact book and messages, personalized messages. We will talk more about this on our channel. Alright, the total message number generates a group contact. Send the report. I actually go through every single one. And it's all for a low fee of $9.99 for 7 days, $49.99 for a one-time lifetime fee. That's a full license. Guys, get involved right now with the link. Thank you so much, guys. Would you kindly do me a massive favor? Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you next time.